Hello, welcome back everyone sa ating live. Study leave and migrate to Australia this 2024. So why Australia? So we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. Number one, listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and of course listed one of the highest salary. One of the best country in the world, going kasama po ang Australia sa pinaka the best country in the world. Pumapangatlo po ang Australia sa pinakamataas na highest average salaries. Pangpito naman po sa pinaka the best country in the world. Number 9, best country to raise a family. And number 27, safest country in the world. Here, let's proceed to our topic, navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia for 2024. We have data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, AI, and machine learning. For data science, we have some of the highest paid data science jobs in 2024. We have machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing or NLP engineer, and both jobs have their annual income. For cybersecurity jobs in 2024, and din po sa screen po natin, and their annual income, it's jobs for cybersecurity. For cloud computing jobs in 2024, ayan din po yung annual income, it's jobs. For software engineering jobs in 2024, they have software development manager, site reliability engineer, full stack developer, mobile software developer, blockchain developer, and their annual income. For AI and machine learning jobs in 2024, they have chief AI officer, AI architect, AI product manager, AI ethics specialist, AI research scientist, and then po ang kanilang annual income. How to find and apply for a job? To find a job, you can search or you can have www.sick.com.au that can help us to find or a job that fit as a student visa holder. Like example, you can enter the keywords here and the classification, then the place, or like example, you can put here at Sydney or Parramatta, then you just click sick.com. Then pwede na po kayo maghanap ng work na fit as a student visa holder. So once you find a work na, you can apply to linkedin.com.au. Here, linkedin.com can help us to apply for a job. You just use your email or phone number or your Australian number. Then you can create an account here in linkedin.com so that hindi po mahirap ang mag-apply ng work you have once is nakita na po kayo ng trabaho na fit as a student visa holder. So, let's proceed sa school's location. So, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rate. We have four major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. As of now, we have affiliated school in Parramatta na sobrang dali ang kanilang pag-process as student visa holder because hindi na po kailangan ng IELTS and no show money needed sa aming affiliated school sa Parramatta. So what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? Number one, study at any university in Australia. You can study at any university within Australia. Two, you can travel in and out in Australia as necessary. Three, you can work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. Fourth, the visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. Four, or the last one, as dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children is pwede pong sumama sa inyo sa Australia under your student visa holder. It's either your um it's either your kids, husband, live-in partner, fiance, or long-term boyfriend, yes, pwede po sila sumama. And they have, for your partner, they have work full-time permit under your student visa. Here are the example or the part-time jobs for international student in Australia. You can apply as a barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, fruit picking. So it's just an example that you can apply as a student visa holder. Unlimited work rights, nag-end po siya ng June 30, 2023. Hope so this 2024, magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng benefits na unlimited work rights because sobrang laking tulong po nito sa isang student visa holder to have an unlimited work rights. You must have sufficient funds. Dito kailangan lang po natin patunayan kailangan lang patunayan ng applicants in this application na they have access to sufficient funds to support themselves for the total period of stay in Australia and understand that further evidence of funds may also be requested. Dito po is part na po ng immigration process and kailangan na natin ipakita sa immigration that we are capable and we have enough sufficient funds during our total period stay in Australia. What are the typical reason of rejection? First is the health declaration. So if you have any blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease, it has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy or other. Yes, it's a 100% possible na pwede po kayong ma-auto-denied or auto-rejection when you have this kind of sickness. Let's proceed sa ating actual courses. For early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, ayan po yung each na courses are related sa ating early childhood. And it shows on screen also the onshore and offshore enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses. For management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, ayan din po kanilang onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. Trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, and din po yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses. Course start date or intake. This year, 2024, we have 3 upcoming intakes. We have April, July, and October. For this April, we have affiliated school na may benefits na no show money and no IELTS needed for this April intake. Here is a summary of fees na mga total na magagastos nyo. Included po dito yung tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics. Yung total po na magagastos nyo po is 253,550 pesos. It's estimated only, so add 10% buffer. Hindi pa po kasama dito yung accommodation and yung plane ticket and yung allowance nyo po or living expenses. How to earn 1 million pesos in just 5 months. So if you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 Australian dollar per week. So for the first month and the second month, you earn 11,200 Australian dollar. Third month, it's 16,800 Australian dollar. For the fourth month, it's 22,400 AUD. For the fifth month, it's 28,000 AUD. In peso, in just 5 months, you earn 1 million pesos as a single applicant. So as a couple, you earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months as a couple. So if a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 AUD per week each. So together, they make 2,800 AUD per week salary. So sa ating couple, in just 5 months, you earn 56,000 AUD. In peso, it's 2 million pesos. So, as a couple, as a husband, fiance, long-term boyfriend, live-in partner, as long as you're 2 years or 3 years above, you can apply as a couple. And under po tayo ng partner natin as a student visa holder. Here in Accentrix, we have 8-step application process. Step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. These are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. Fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school, pay the tuition fee, and apply for a visa immigration. Ayan lang po yung mga stages na kailangan nyo po pagdaanan. You just fill up the PDF form or contract signing here in our office and submit all the school enrollment forms, submit all the required document, and pay the enrollment fee directly to school and apply for a visa immigration. If you have any question, I'll give you 5 minutes to drop down your question and I'll answer it right away after this. So if you would like to start your application, just drop down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, is tatawagan pa kayo ng aming team. Or if you want to set up an appointment for face-to-face consultation, same procedure, just drop down your full name and number. If you would like to visit our office at AIC Burgundy Empire Tower, Ortigas, at the back of Robinson Galleria, room 1414. Just look for Ryan Velasquez or Paulina Tana. So thank you everyone for watching our short live seminar this afternoon. See you again tomorrow, same time. Bye.